Hey, I'm Mikkel. Today, let's take a look at how to build a custom vehicle parts bulk order form using the Shopify Aco Product Options plugin. Whether you're selling brake pads, air filters, oil filters, or other vehicle spare parts, finding the right compatible part can be challenging for customers. With the Aco Product Options plugin, customers can first select their vehicle brand, then choose the model, and instantly view only the compatible parts for that specific vehicle. You can also offer additional options such as installation kits, extended warranties, and other value-added services with dynamic pricing. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this entire experience step by step using the Aco Product Options plugin. Let's get started.
So let's start from the scratch to see how the form is built. First, open a blank form, and then let's add a name to the add-on form. So here we are adding our first field to the form, which is a select field for choosing the vehicle brand. Now let's add a label to the field, and then add the options to the field using the global options. Global options lets you to add very large set of options at a time using ordered datasets like CSV file. To know more about the global options, you can visit the documentation provided in the description of the video. Now, let's add another field to add next set of options for the vehicle parts for each vehicle brands. Let's add a label to the field for showing the vehicle parts. Now let's add global options to the field for showing the list of parts. Then, enable the conditional logic option to show the field only when the particular vehicle brand is selected from the select field. Then let's add another field for adding the next vehicle parts list of another manufacturer. Add a label to the field for identifying the particular vehicle brand parts. Now let's add the respective global option from the global options list. Then let's enable the pricing option and choose the global option price option. Then let's add the conditional logic option to the field for showing the field only when the same manufacturer name is selected from the select field dropdown. Then let's add next checkbox group field for adding another globals option list for vehicle parts. Add the label to the field for displaying in the front end. Then let's choose the required global option from their list and enable the pricing option for the field based on the configured global option price. Once completing the setup of the field, let's save the form layout and then assign the form to the product by clicking the Connect button. Now let's check the front-end product page to see how the form works on the product page. You can test the add-on form by placing the test order after choosing the add-on options and prices.
Once choosing the options, let's add the product to the cart to see how it works on cart page.
Now it's your time to build by yourself.
Thank you for watching this documentation guide. If you have any questions, require technical assistance, or need help configuring the plugin, please reach out to our support team. We're always here to help you at our best.